Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for the cable replacement: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of wire cutters, and electrical tape. Make sure you have a clean workspace to prevent losing any small parts. Start by unplugging your Dyson HD01 from the outlet. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the vacuum is completely powered down. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that secure the housing. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the housing. Take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust buildup. A clean vacuum operates more efficiently, so if you notice any dirt, use a soft brush or a cloth to clean the interior. Next, locate the cable connection. You will see where the power cable is attached to the motor. Carefully cut the old cable using wire cutters, ensuring you leave enough length for the new connection. If you're unsure about proceeding, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. Now, take your new power cable and strip the ends to expose the wires. Connect the wires to the motor by matching the colors, usually black to black and white to white. Secure these connections with electrical tape to ensure a safe and reliable bond. With the new cable in place, reassemble the vacuum by carefully placing the housing back into position. Make sure all internal components are aligned correctly and that the cable is not pinched. Secure the housing with the screws you previously removed. Before testing your vacuum, take a moment to clean any additional dust from the exterior. A clean machine not only looks better but also performs better. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out, as we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. Finally, plug in your Dyson HD01 and test the new cable. Ensure that it powers on and functions correctly. If everything is working smoothly, you've successfully replaced the cable. For future repairs, remember that we provide quotes before repair, allowing you to make informed decisions without any pressure. In conclusion, taking the time to replace the cable on your Dyson HD01 can significantly extend the life of your vacuum. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can achieve professional results at home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.